What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing the White Ranger from the Power Rangers. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page with the eyes of the helmet. We're going to start over on the left. Let's start with a curve going up and we'll bend that out. Let's line this up over on the right and do the same thing. Going up and then out. Let's round out the bottom, coming down and then in. Now from the inside corner of the eyes, we're going to step down, draw two straight angle lines coming down and in. Let's add a point coming down and in towards the center of the face. Now from the left side, we're just going to trace the bottom of the eye, going out, and just pull that up towards the side of the head, and then do the same thing on the right, going out and then up. From the sides, we're just going to curve this up and then into right about there. Angle this up and then out. Let's round out the ear, going out and then down. Now going back up to the tip, draw a straight angle line coming down and in. And then we're just going to round out the middle. Now let's go back to the outside and draw the bottom edge of the visor. Starting on the left, curve this down, go across the middle, and then back up. Now let's draw on that mouthpiece. Starting on the left, angle this down and in, go to the right, and do the same thing, and then we'll round out the bottom. Now we're going to go back out to the side and draw the top of the head. Let's start back on the left. We're going to go up, round out the head, go across, and then back down. Let's tuck the bottom sides of the head in behind. So we're going to start on the side of the head, bend this down, round out the jaw, and just tuck that in behind, leaving a little overlap along the bottom. Let's add two curves along the inside. Just follow that curve coming in. Add one more just underneath. And we'll do the same thing over on the right. Let's trace this mouthpiece along the inside. Let's go back and add that detail in the center. We're going to start with two lines coming down side by side. One coming down on the left, and one on the right. Let's add a point in the middle, coming down and up. Let's fill that stripe in black. Let's go up to the top and add a curve. From the left, we're going to go up, and then bend that down. From the ends, angle this up and then out. Draw a short line coming down and in, and we'll curve the top. Just follow that same curve coming in, go across the middle, and then back down. Let's fill this area in black. Now we're going to move down and draw one more. Let's start over on the left. This is going to be a little bit shorter, going across and then down. Angle this up and out. And again, just repeating those steps, coming in, and then we'll trace the top of that curve. Let's fill in the inside. Now in the center, we're going to draw two angle lines, one coming down from the left, go up towards the right. From here, it's going to bend this up above the eye and then out. Now I'm going to switch to my thick black marker and fill the inside of the visor. Now that we complete the head, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. We're going to start over on the left side of that mouthpiece, bend the body going out and then down towards the hip. Go to the right side and do the same thing, coming down towards the same height. Let's close off the bottom with a curve, and then we'll step up and draw that again. Let's leave a gap in the center and draw 2 lines, one on the left and then one on the right. Now in the center, we're going to draw a circle, going all the way around and then back up. From the center, draw 2 short lines coming down. I'm just going to follow that curve going out and then up towards the side of the body. Now I want to move down and draw that same curve going across the center and then back up. Let's go up to the top of the body, draw 2 straight lines going all the way out towards the side of the shoulder pads. Curve this down and in. I'm just going to bend that down towards the side of the body. Let's add a little bit of texture to the shoulder pads. Starting from the top, draw 1 line going across, line that up on the right, come down and draw that again. Now let's go back to the belt buckle. Stepping down, let's add a curve, going up and then down. Let's leave a gap in the center. Go to the left side, we're going to bend the leg, going out and down toward the left heel. Move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Now I want to round out the bottom of the feet. Let's start from the left side. I'm going to come down and bend that up towards the toes. And then round out the top of the foot. We're going to go up like a half circle, bend this down aiming towards the heel. Want to leave a gap on the inside. Now let's go back up to the hips. We're going to draw the side of the leg. We're going to go out and then bend that down on top of the feet. And we're going to add a thick sole across the bottom. Take this curve, step up, and just trace that across on both sides. Now from the top of the foot, let's go all the way up, draw the edge of the boot. Coming down and then up, line it up on the right. Let's step down and draw that again. Let's move back up underneath the shoulder pads and draw on the arms. We're going to start from the inside, bend the arm going out and then down towards the wrist. From the wrist, draw a small half circle for the thumb. Close off the end with a bracket. Now on either side, we're going to draw 3 fingers wrapped in a fist. So let's start underneath the thumb, coming down and then up around that bracket. Let's go out to the side, draw the second finger, going out and then up. Do that again. Start from the side, add the 3rd finger, blending that into the arm, going up and then in. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now I want to add a thick cuff around the wrist, starting from the top of the thumb, that is up and then out. Step up and draw that again. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of the White Ranger from the Power Rangers. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you again soon.